Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT first test 2025 part 1C. Dear students, if you need MCQs for KMU-CAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. अगर आपको KMU-CAT टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन के लिए MCQs चाहिए तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं. डियर व्यूवर्स, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. अगर आप KMU-CAT टेस्ट के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. इस वीडियो को आखिर तक ज़रूर देखें. शुक्रिया. The pH at which an enzyme has maximum activity is known as option A isoelectric pH, B optimum pH, C low pH, and option D high pH. So the correct option is B optimum pH. Explanation is enzyme show peak activity at their optimum pH. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from early technologist. Degradation of proteins to amino acids, glucose from carbohydrates, and fatty acids from lipid is known as option A anabolism, B metabolism, C catabolism, and option D cretinism. So the correct option is C catabolism. Catabolism breaks down complex molecule into simple molecule. So this is very important MCQs. Isoelectric pH is the pH at which protein is electrically option A neutral, B anionic, C cationic, and option D none of these. So the correct option is A neutral. At pH, positive and negative charges is balance. Protein deficiency disease is known as option A Cushing's disease, B Fabry's disease, C Parkinson disease, and option D Kwashiorkor and marasmus. So the correct option is D Kwashiorkor and marasmus. These are two main protein energy malnutrition disorders. This is very important MCQs. All alpha amino acids give positive option A Malon's test, B Biuret test, C xanthobiotic test, and option D Nenhydrin test. So the correct option is Nenhydrin test. Nenhydrin reacts with all alpha amino acids producing a purple color. An OH group is present in the side chain of option A serine, B arginine, C lysine, and option D proline. So the correct option is A serine. Serine contains a hydroxyl OH group and its side chain, making it polar and hydrophilic. This group is important for phosphorylation reactions and cell signaling. The recommended daily allowance RDA of proteins for an adult man is option A 70 gram, B 50 gram, C 40 gram, and option D 30 gram. So the correct option is A 70 gram. The RDA recommended daily allowance for protein is 0.8 gram per kg of the body weight. So for 70 kg adult man, it's 56 gram, but 70 gram accounts for higher need or rounding. So this is very important MCQs. And the total protein percentage of alpha 1 globulin is about option A 0.2 to 1.2%, option B 1.2 to 2.0%, C 2.4 to 4.4%, and option D 5.0 to 10.0%. So the correct option is B, 1.2 to 2.0%. Alpha 1 globulins, for example alpha 1 antitrypsin, constitute 1.2 to 2.0% of total serum proteins. So this is very important MCQs. Most frequently the normal albumin globulin ratio A ratio G, albumin ratio globulin is option A 1.0 ratio 0.8, option B 1.5 ratio 1.0, C 2.0 ratio 1.0, and option D 2.4 ratio 1.0. So the correct option is C, 2.0 ratio 1.0. So explanation is the normal albumin globulin ratio is 2 ratio 1. For example, albumin 4 gram per deciliter, globulins is 2 gram per deciliter. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Apolipoprotein B100 is synthesized in option A adipose tissue, B liver, C intestine, and option D liver and intestine. So the correct option is B liver. Apo B100 is produced only in the liver, while its shorter form apolipoprotein B48 is made in the intestine. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. In electrolysis, cations move towards the option A anode, B cathode, C salt bridge, and option D electrolytes. So the correct option is B cathode. Caution are positively charged molecule and move toward cathode. Unsaturated fatty acid is known as option A non-essential fatty acids, B essential fatty acid, C cerebrosides, and option D phospholipids. So the correct option is B essential fatty acids. Some unsaturated fats, for example linoleic and alpha linolenic, are essential nutrients. Which law relates volume and temperature? Option A Wies law, B Charles law, C Avogadro's, and option D Dalton's. So the correct option is B Charles. Thank you for watching my videos.